If you've ever wondered what makes the Subway roasted garlic aioli taste so good, today we're finally revealing that secret at home. We've been testing this for a while, and this version comes super close to the real thing, but fresher, easier, and totally additive-free. Get all the ingredients and directions from the description. So to get this going, we're starting off with a half cup of creamy mayonnaise. You can use a good quality mayonnaise for the best flavor. And right after that, I go with 1 tablespoon of neutral oil, just to help everything blend extra smooth. You can use any neutral oil of choice, like canola or vegetable oil. Next comes the star flavor, 4 to 5 cloves of roasted garlic. I just roasted these in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil. And then to really boost that garlicky depth, half a teaspoon of garlic powder goes in right alongside. Now for the tangy balance, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of distilled white vinegar, followed by half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then goes in just a little half a teaspoon of sugar to round it all out. For seasoning, I'm keeping it simple with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground white pepper. Finally, to get that perfect creamy consistency, I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, depending on how pourable or thick you want your aioli. All right, now that everything's in the blender, give it a good whirl until it's silky smooth and perfectly creamy. You'll start seeing that rich roasted garlic color come together. And the aroma, oh, it's amazing already. Wow, just look at how gorgeous this aioli turned out. Creamy, smooth, and packed with that roasted garlic goodness. This recipe makes about half a cup, perfect for sandwiches, fries, wraps, and so many more uses. Make sure to leave it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes for the flavors to develop. If you've enjoyed this recipe so far, that means you love easy, copycat sauces like this. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss our fresh, homemade recipes. And if you try this at home, don't forget to leave a comment and let us know how it turned out.